BOLIX BQS is an exciting choice for enhancing the appearance of both interior and exterior surfaces of buildings, offering the captivating look of brick masonry without the complexity. This prefabricated decorative cladding is versatile and adaptable, suitable for use on insulated and non-insulated walls, as well as various surface types including concrete, cement, lime cement, and gypsum plaster surfaces. What sets BOLIX BQS apart is its exceptional durability, as it is constructed from high-quality elastomeric material, ensuring resistance to weather conditions, frost, UV radiation, algae, and fungi. This cladding not only provides an aesthetic transformation but also practical benefits such as ease of installation and maintenance. Durisol bukobran is a remarkable solution for mitigating noise pollution, and it's essential to understand its features and advantages. As a noise wall, it serves as an effective sound barrier, capable of reducing noise levels by up to 57 decibels. This makes it an excellent choice for locations where noise pollution is a persistent issue, such as areas near highways, airports, and industrial zones. What sets Durisol bukobran apart is its construction, made from a blend of concrete and lightweight aggregates, like expanded polystyrene beads or volcanic ash. This innovative composition significantly reduces its weight compared to traditional concrete noise walls while maintaining the same level of strength and durability. Peikko bolted column connections are a crucial structural component used to link columns with foundations, other columns, beams, walls, and other structural elements. Constructed from high-strength steel, these connections are designed with ease of installation and maintenance in mind. One of their standout advantages is the simplicity of installation, achievable even by individuals without specialized skills. Unlike traditional welded column connections, Peikko bolted connections eliminate the need for welding, saving both time and money. Despite their simplicity, they deliver an equivalent level of strength and durability, making them a reliable choice for various construction projects. What's more, their flexibility extends to their ability to connect different types of columns, whether they are steel, concrete, or wood. HYBRIS insulation roofs represent an innovative approach to achieving superior thermal performance and numerous benefits over traditional insulation materials. This unique insulation is crafted from a honeycomb structure of closed cells, which effectively traps air and provides exceptional thermal insulation. Not only is HYBRIS highly efficient in terms of thermal performance, but it is also lightweight, flexible, and notably easy to install, making it a practical choice for various construction and renovation projects. The advantages of opting for HYBRIS insulation roofs are manifold. Firstly, they offer superior thermal insulation compared to conventional materials like fiberglass and mineral wool, which translates to reduced energy costs and enhanced year-round comfort in your home. Additionally, HYBRIS insulation helps create an airtight seal, minimizing air leaks and improving overall energy efficiency. It also contributes to soundproofing, reducing both exterior and interior noise levels. Ombran W is a remarkable solution for effectively addressing cracks and leaks in various construction materials, including concrete, masonry, and natural stone structures. This rapid and permanent waterproofing mortar is cement-based and contains special expanding additives that react and swell when exposed to water. This unique property creates a tight, long-lasting seal that effectively prevents water penetration, making it an ideal choice for waterproofing applications. One of the standout features of Ombran W is its versatility. It can be applied to horizontal, vertical, and overhead surfaces with ease, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. Additionally, Ombran W is highly resistant to frost and thaw cycles, making it a reliable option for use in cold climates where temperature fluctuations can be particularly challenging. Its applications are diverse and include sealing cracks and leaks, waterproofing basements, foundations, and underground structures, repairing damaged concrete and masonry, and waterproofing swimming pools, fountains, tunnels, bridges, and other infrastructure projects. NextStone trademark Slatestone 2 PC post covers are a fantastic solution for both beautifying and safeguarding your yard features, including deck posts, fence posts, and more. Crafted from durable faux stone material, these post covers are designed to withstand various weather conditions, such as UV radiation, rain, snow, and extreme heat, ensuring their long-lasting appeal. One of the key advantages of these post covers is their user-friendly nature. They are easy to install and can be conveniently fitted over existing posts without the need for removal. Additionally, their lightweight and manageable design make them a practical choice for various DIY projects. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.